Good morning and happy Saturday. I am about to go for my walk. I am taking my amino lean, my MSM. I feel like I don't want to say I'm getting sick, but my sinuses are doing something special this morning. But I am going to still get out there and do my walk. It is like 80 some degrees outside. It's a little cloudy, so I know it's going to be humid. So I just put on this like bra tank and then some sweats and some sneakers. So I'm gonna get out there because it's supposed to rain again today. So anyway, happy Saturday, guys. I want to get back into my routine. As you know, I've been doing an Airbnb. I'm trying to put my house up for Airbnb for FIFA. So that's like kind of been my focus lately, and trying to get things packed so I can move my personal belongings out of the house as I transition this house into an Airbnb. So that is what I'm working on. I have been in my garden lately. I haven't even been showing that because it's so like my backyard it's not a mess, but it's not complete. And again, I'll go out there, get what I gotta get, and come on back in. But I've been, every time I have produce and I have extra produce, y'all, these are jalapeno seeds from a fresh jalapeno that I was eating. And I just kind of labeled it right here. I'm going to get some official things, but I'm like, why not recycle this little garlic jar where I had garlic in it? And then I have, you just kind of cut the tops off, let it dry out, and then I'm going to take the seeds off. But anyway, that's what I've been doing. And then same thing with my zinnia seeds. I hope I don't spill this on the floor. I got Gerber daisies for my birthday from my neighbor Maritza. And as they die, I pop the heads off and I let them dry out so I can get the seeds, because I did the same thing with my marigolds last year and they are thriving at my mailbox. The seeds are finally popping up. Oh, look at my marigold seeds. Oh, all from seeds. There's some popping up in the garden because I did put some in the garden. They're popping up back there. So I'm excited to see what those look like. They look full and healthy. I love it. And I love that for me. So going forward, let's see. You might not see me at the garden center buying anything unless I want it already blooming or whatever. But hopefully next year I'll have my greenhouse and I'll be settled into my forever home. But not fingers crossed, prayers up. But anyway, I have y'all stuck on the back of the refrigerator, so I need to, there we go. Don't mind all the junk in the back. The air fryer, I was doing, all right, I don't think y'all realize how big into gardening and, my health and wellness journey that I'm in, but I had boiled eggs this morning, and then I had some, bacon and stuff like that. But I put the eggshells in here after I put them in the air fryer so I can grind them down and put them on my plants, my vegetables, etc. because this is like a great fertilizer. I think it's calcium or something like that. It's a great fertilizer for the plants. So I just kind of got these in here and I'm gonna either blend them up, go ahead and get this off the counter, or I'm gonna fill it up some more since I know I have a few more eggs left that I can just put it all together. I'm gonna probably blend it up so I can get it off my counter because I don't like things on my counter. Anyway, let me go out here, get my walk on. It is 1:50 in the afternoon on a Saturday, May 30th. One more day left of May, and then we are 6 months into the year, which is crazy to me. Oh my goodness. But let me quit yapping. I'll come back in a second and we'll chat when I get outside. I just finished my walk outside. Man, it is hot outside. Like my face was like literally dripping sweat. I don't know if you can see like the sweat on my chest, but my face was like dripping sweat. But anyway, I just got that done. I am going to attempt to hang my TV today and pack up some more boxes. As you can see, I have tons of clothes. This is just those two wardrobes There's a whole reel right there. And then I have my master closet. I have a lot to still pack up, like summer clothes and stuff. But I don't want to pack them up quite yet because I don't know what I'm going to need. And I keep thinking, okay, pack this up, pack that up. And I'm like, well, if I have an audition, I'm going to need, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of hard to pack certain things, especially at this season, because, you know, if you're going and you're doing a featured extra role or an extra role, what have you, it's just kind of hard to pack up your stuff. And then they're like, hey, can you bring this? And then this is the very thing that you've just packed up. Going out to the garden. Look at my basil and my cilantro and my oregano, my garlic, strawberries. I am going to grab some of these for my salad. I'm gonna add this to the salad, the romaine lettuce that I already have. This is what I just cut from. It looks so good, y'all. UniverSoul Circus. Okay, so quick disclaimer. I had to mute all this footage because of copyright and music claims. But trust me, the energy in there was unreal. Y'all know how y'all scrolling on Instagram and you run across some things like, oh, and you save it and you're like, I want to do that. Then you hear it gets closer to time or hear it on the radio. I want to do that. I want to do that. And you never do it. Well, this time I took myself on a solo date to the UniverSoul Circus. And I am so glad that I did. And one thing that I've learned is that you cannot wait on other people to experience life. If there's something you want to do, book the ticket, book the flight, just go. You might end up having the best time. You never know. And the UniverSoul Circus did not disappoint. From the music, the dancing, to the incredible, and I say incredible, and I mean incredible performances, and the nonstop energy, it was entertaining from the very beginning to the very end. Even though you can't hear the music here, just know the entire crowd was vibing. As a theater major, I have such an appreciation for live performances. And honestly, this made me want to get back on stage. From the talent to the costumes to the creativity to the audience interaction, it was just, y'all, it was incredible. And whether you're a kid or an adult, I genuinely think you'll enjoy it. If the UniverSoul Circus comes to your city, I definitely recommend going. Now, if I could change one thing, I'd add a few adult beverages for the grown folks. But other than that, I had an amazing time and I would absolutely go again.
Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you.
Yay!
Make a wish.
All right, so we just stopped at the store.
It's not cold, Courtney.
It is kind of cold. Blueberry boba pops. This is 12.5% alcohol. There you go. Put your little head that way and smell it. Smell like blueberries.
Smell like blueberries. You're gonna need a spoon. You get more. How
you gonna do that? All right, so cheers. You take it all.
You swallow the balls too. You don't. Oh, it tastes like it's blueberry jam in there. Or, yeah, it did.
Yours was bad.
It's like the inside of a blueberry.
That's strong.
That's got blueberries in it.
Oh, that's strong. It's got my hair on my arm standing up. That's strong. Back up first. 1 through 10. Crystal. 1 through 10.
Did something fall out my mouth?
I hope not. 1 through 10. I had to pop them on my
That's a
teeth.
pretty good one. I liked it.
Okay.
9.5.
Y'all, this right here. My babies are so funny. Come on, Kai. Those are all my babies. That's Kai, that's Seven, that's Bailey, and that's Charlotte. Kai, that's his mom and dad, and they are her mom and dad. That's the mom, that's the dad. Different litters. Charlotte and Seven are the same age. Seven was born a day after. At like midnight. Get it, Shar. Tell them.
Hey guys. Like and subscribe to my Auntie Court's videos, and don't forget to watch all her videos and like and subscribe to all of them.
Okay, but which one do you think they should watch? Which one's your favorite?
The one with me by that Christmas tree.
Okay.
I like that one.
Okay, I'll make sure I tag that one down below.